Suffolk County Music Service presents The Sky, Session 2, a how to play guide for Wicket students.
In this session, we are going to warm up, play through what we learnt in Lesson 1 and learn Section B of The Sky. By the end of this video, we will know everything we need to perform the whole piece. It's time to get ready and play. Last week we talked about how important it is to get your instrument ready for playing. Be careful when you take it out of the case and put it together, and remember to try your valves or slide to check that they are working. When you practice, be careful to hold your instrument correctly, whether you are sitting or standing. This is called correct posture. And finally, remember to warm up before playing The Sky. Try some long sounds on the mouthpiece first, followed by 4-beat sounds on the instrument, using the notes that you have learnt. Last week, as part of our learning, we talked about the sky being made up of 3 sections, A, B and C. We said that the A and C sections are the same, meaning that the piece is in ternary form, a bit like a sandwich, where sections A and C are like the bread. This week's new section B, because it is different, can be thought of as whatever you like to put inside your sandwich. Just be careful right at the end of section C, where there is a tiny difference from section A. You have to shout "Ha!" on the very last beat of the piece.
Well remembered. Now let's move on and learn Section B.
This week we are going to learn Section B. Although the notes used and the rhythms are similar to that of sections A and C, look out for the following. 1. You will notice that Section B uses 4-beat sounds, egg-shaped notes without a tail. Make sure you count your pulse in your head and hold these notes for their full length. 2. Once again you will see that some of the notes have little arrows called accents underneath. Use a strong tongue to get a heavier start to the note. 3. Similar to section A and C, section B is played twice. You will notice that the last 2 bars have brackets over the top. At the end of the first time, play the bar with the bracket with the number 1 in. At the end of the second time, skip this bar and play the bar with the bracket with the number 2 in. And lastly, when you practice, try to practice in 2-bar chunks. When you have learned all of the 2-bar chunks, try to play the whole section.
Fantastic! Now you can play the whole piece through twice. The first time you'll play as a duet with a music service tutor. Then the video will give you a chance to play it on your own as a solo. Have fun! Well played! Remember, keep practicing this piece. It will get better and better.